Chanel Mini. Is it hard to get? Very hard to get. And I finally got it. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today's video is extremely exciting. I finally got my Chanel Mini and here is my bag. I'm straightforward from the store. I couldn't wait any longer. I just want to unbox it with you and share this as exciting news with you guys. So let me quickly unbox it, and I'm gonna do also my modeling shots as usual. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like on me. So here is the gorgeous Chanel packaging. Chanel as usual. Okay. So we have a proof of purchase. And I want to share with you guys a new price because it's increasing in price. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. So and here is the dust bag. It's so tiny. so tiny. Ta-da! I'm so excited, guys. This is Chanel Mini in a square, and it's a lambskin with the silver hardware. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. You can see there is still a little bit of plastic on the bag. So I don't even know where it's made. Is it Italy or France? I didn't even check at the store. Let me get just a bit closer to the camera. So that's, you can see there is even a little bit of plastic still on the bag. So obviously the felt. Let me remove the felt. Oh my gosh, so nice. Little bit of tissue. In Canadian dollars, this bag is $35.50. They slightly increased the price for square mini. Before it was $34.50, so now $35.50. So they just increased by $100 in Canadian, and I'm so glad that I was able to get it still at this almost, I could say, old price, because rectangular mini in Canadian dollars, they actually increased by $400. Oh my gosh. It's so sad that I couldn't get it at the old price, the rectangular one, because it would have been really fantastic. Saving $400 isn't that great, but I couldn't, and I'm very grateful that I got at least my square mini. Very happy with my square mini. That's how it looks like inside. There is one small, just a slip pocket, and there is one extra pocket with a zipper. And here is the authenticity card, and this is already 26 number authenticity card. On the back, obviously, the smiley pocket. Guys, I'm so excited. I cannot even talk properly. Honestly, I'm so excited. I cannot even talk properly. I'm gonna obviously insert my modeling shots, and when my modeling shots gonna be running, I'm gonna tell you story what's happened. So my essay informed me that the minis are coming on November the 22nd, and she said obviously she cannot hold it for me because it's such a in high demand item, so I have to be at the store at 10 o'clock. So I was there at 10 o'clock, a little bit 5 minutes after 10. Obviously the doors were already open. The store is with many people inside, and I saw her obviously say hi. She showed me right away one in a blue, one in pink, one in black with the chevron pattern and the gold hardware, and one square one once again in the pink. They're gorgeous, all colors, but I'm not really, I mean, I love pink, I appreciate pink, but I'm not really a pink person through and through, if you could understand what I'm saying. I appreciate pink on many other ladies, but myself, I feel more comfortable with the deep colors like a blue, black, deep gray, even like a burgundy, like something in more deeper colors, like fit me more closer. If it's a lighter color, it's something in beige. So I was kind of still looking at the blue, and the blue was not dark blue, it's kind of mid-tone, very bright blue. I wouldn't say it's like an ocean blue, but quite bright color blue, and it was a diamond quilting in the blue, and the black, as I said, it's a chevron. So I was kind of keeping those two bags on me, just trying to check out which one I like the most. And obviously major concern for many people is that the phone won't fit. I have my phone is a Samsung phone, and it's roughly about 6 inches across, so in width, and that's how my phone fits over there. You can see it fits actually quite nicely, and I decided I just gonna try for you guys what can fit more. So anyway, I digress. So, and I was almost get the chevron pattern. Not that I don't like the chevron, I love chevron. It was looking absolutely fantastic. You know, I have my Coco handle in chevron. It's up there, you cannot see it, and I absolutely love it. But somewhat for mini, because I don't have any mini in my collection, I wanted to have black and the diamond quilting, like, you know, the classic one. When you get first Chanel in some kind of style, you want to be a classic one. So anyway, and I almost settled, and I was just saying, like, you know what, are you sure there is no more in black with the diamond quilting? And she goes like, let me check. So she went to the storage room and she checked, and apparently this one was placed in the wrong style. I wouldn't be surprised if somebody intentionally put it in their own style. So she said, like, it was sitting in different style, and she goes, I was just checked it and it was there. So when I was trying this at the store, it was completely brand new, like, you know, wrapped around. Nobody even touched it because it was in the wrong style. So I'm so excited. So as I said, my phone is already in. So let's try what can fit inside. As you can see, I already put my cell phone, and I put my 6-key holder. It actually fit a lot. I'm surprised. So let me just get closer to the camera. So you see right now I have my cell phone, I have 6-key holder, I have my card holder, I have a smallest pouch from Kirigami set, and I have a key pouch. So I'm gonna try now something different. So say if I'm gonna put my cell phone, I'm gonna put my cell phone, I'm gonna put my 6-key holder over there, I'm gonna put my credit card holder, I put chewing gum, I put lipstick. I can actually put one more extra lipstick, and let's see if I could put my glasses on top. I mean, let's try. It's almost I have to take my glasses off the pouch. What if I'm not gonna keep the pouch? Yes, then it's easily will close. So there you go, guys. I didn't put the pouch for the glasses, so then it's easily can close. So right there, I just put my glasses like that. I mean, you definitely have to go compact, very compact, let's put it this way, extremely compact, but you still can fit some stuff. You definitely still can fit some stuff. I would say your phone, your key holder, or 6-key holder, or 4-key holder, whatever you have, or key pouch, whatever you're using for your car. The credit card holder will go easily. And I would say, like, if you need chewing gum or something, will go once again easily. I just have one lipstick from Tom Ford, but there is enough space that if I want to put the second one, no problem. And as I said, if I want to put glasses on top, it will close very, very easily. So I'm very, very happy, guys. Absolutely in love. And as I said, I'm gonna do my modeling shots. I'm really jumpy, I apologize. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm very, very excited. I want to add this item for a long time, but as you know, it's very, very hard to get, and the moment they get into the store, they're pretty much sold within an hour. So it's not like, and as I said, today when I went to the store, it's first time I actually was able to hold it in my hand and see if I like it. I actually like, you know, everybody raving about Square Mini. I love Square Mini as well. I wish if I could get Square Mini today, but it wasn't available in black, and I didn't want to get it in pink. My first one, I want to really get it in a black, and I'm so glad that at least I got it in the square. I think I'm gonna get lots of use out of this bag, and maybe one day I'm gonna pass it to my daughter, because I think she for sure will enjoy using this bag so very, very much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for sharing my joy with me. Please, 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 if you have any questions or comments, do not hesitate to put them below. I will gladly answer all your comments and questions. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're just a new visitor to my channel. If you're an existing subscriber, guys, thank you so very much for keeping up with me and for watching my videos all the way to the end. Thank you so much, guys, once again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.